Hello friends, today's video is all about important concept of Node.js, that is PUG file. In my today's program, in login and registration form using MySQL, I will be using PUG file. Let us see in brief what is PUG file is. PUG is a Node.js template engine. PUG is a template engine for Node.js. A template engine allows you to inject data and then produce HTML. At runtime, PUG and other template engines replace variables in our file with actual values and then send the resulting HTML string to the client. Install PUG in your project. npm install PUG -a, that is the thing that you install PUG. If you use this PUG file in your project will be very impressive. Set up your view engine for PUG file using PUG file app.set view engine PUG. If you want to use JADE, you can use PUG instead of PUG or JADE. So that is all about. Now we will go through the program. I have struggled a lot for this file. This file is very indent based. If indent mismatch, this file will not be read by Node.js file. This is very critical. Now we will go through the program. Your database table name is user2. These are the attributes: username, password, full name, primary keys ID. Now we will go to another part, that is core. In that we will see full dot importing required drivers needed for program, then connection, tool query, that is part, module export, because we want to link this file to another file, that's why this statement is written. Now we will see user.js, find the user data by ID if the user variable defined in this part, select star from user2 field and password. Since we want to link this file to another file, we are using module export user. Now I will be using public directory. We will go in public directory. In that we will move to CSS directory. In that we are having designing part. This is all about the designing part of the CSS. Now image, these are the two images, login img. We will see when I will run the program. Then we will move on to roots directory. In that we are having pages, create an object for class with user, then root. If use session, since we are doing program on session user, request session, get method, router, in the sense we are redirecting from one page to another using router. Then at default home page, then my application title, home, this part, then login, this part, username, full name, and this parameter when we register, and the session is set, ID stored in the session, Now log out. That says we want to link this file to another file. Let's return that. Now we will move to views directory. Here comes the PUG file, very critical. In other languages also this file is used. There is adding the values runtime, that's why it is carrying lot of importance. Here you may notice that the indent are arranged in very proper manner, that's why this file carries lot of importance. Now we will see index. There also indent matters a lot. Now layout, yes, also indent matters a lot. Now we will go to the includes directory where we are having header PUG. You might have noticed. Then this login form you can use in another project also, very important. Registration form also you can use in another project. And style, linking of CSS file for designing the now we'll go to our main JavaScript file, that is server.js file, sorry, app.js file. Importing required drivers. Then for body parser, since we want to move from one page to another page, then public directory we need to access. Views, just now I told you, engine, views engine PUG. Session, cookies will last longer for how many times, hours. Then if error page, and server is running at port number 3000. Now I will execute the program. npm start, yes, http:// yes, you might have noticed very creative and very wonderful design of GUI is there in PUG file. You might have noticed that Angular JS and these GUI are also similar to that. So that's why PUG file is very important. If you try to use in every project, students, if you try to use in project, it carries lot of weightage. Now I will write username Aniket, full name Aniket Kale, password yes, registration has done. Very nice look of PUG file. Now I will log in Aniket. Yes, now it is telling login as Aniket Kale. So I have successfully done with login and registration using Node.js and MySQL with PUG file. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, I will be back with more videos on PUG, EJS, JADE, View Engine. Then I will back with more videos on session handling using Node.js and MongoDB, Python, machine learning, stimuli. Thanks for watching.